Hi everyone, for today's invention I will need a broken wrench, a screw nut, a pin and a piece of chain. On the screw nut I measure the distance to 8 mm, making an indent from the edge. And I mark the places of the slices. I clamp the screw nut in a vise and use the grinder to cut through the marks. I will sand down the places of the cut. Here's what I got. I take the pin and screw it into the nut. I measure 5 centimeters, clamp the pin in a vise and cut off the required distance. I will sand down the places of the cut. With the help of the core, I will make marks in the center of the workpiece. I clamp a thin drill bit in a vise and the workpiece in a drill and make a hole on the mark. I insert a nail into the hole and slightly retreating from the edge, cut off the excess. I clamp the workpiece in a vise with the opposite side and make an incision in the center. Now, with the help of a soldering machine, I make a handle for the invention. From the old wrench, I cut off the broken part, holding it in a vise. I will sand the place of the cut, making a small groove. Now I have to put the whole invention together using a soldering machine. I will sand up the spikes. Done. The invention can carefully uncouple the chain links. I will show you how it works. If you are interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.